Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about mean, median, and mode in our new unit called Data and Probability. You guys are probably very familiar with this, but should be some free easy points on your next exam, and they will cover this on your EOC, so good things to know. Okay, so for your mean, I want you to write the definition. Okay, for your mean, I want you to write average. And the way we find the average is by adding up all numbers, and divide by the total. And divide by amount of numbers. Okay, so to get your average, you're going to add up all the numbers and divide by your amount of numbers. For your median, hey, that is the middle number. Okay, and your numbers have to be in order. Okay, so median is the middle number, and your numbers have to be in order. Couple more. Hey, mode is the number that appears most often. Okay, so the number that appears most often, and be aware that your mode can be more than one number. So it could be one mode, two modes, or even three modes if they have the same amount of numbers. Okay, so your range is the largest number minus the smallest number. Okay, your largest number minus your smallest number. All right, your last couple, your least value or your lower extreme is always going to be your smallest number. And your greatest value is going to be your largest number. Okay, so these are the 6 terms that I need you to be familiar with, so please have these written down. They're going to help you out with the remainder of your notes and homework. Okay, so let's give these guys a try. Okay, so if you were to find your mean of these numbers, you simply have to add them up and divide by however many numbers there are. So if you take your calculator and you add these up, you get 5 plus 19 plus 24 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 4 plus 7 and plus 10. Okay, so if you get that, you then have 123. And to find the mean, we have to divide by however many numbers there are. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. Okay, so if we want to find the mean, we have to take 123, divide it by 9, and that would give us our final solution of 13.6 repeating. Okay, so that would be our mean in this case. Okay, now to find your median, you have to line up your numbers from smallest to largest and then find the number in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and line our numbers up. Okay, we have 4. Then we have 5. And let's see what we got. We got 7 and 10. Then we have 17, 18, 2 19s, and a 24. Okay, so to find the middle, all we have to do is cross out each side until we get to the middle. So cross out your 4 and 24. Cross out your 5 and 19, all the way until you get to the middle. So your number in the middle is going to be 17, so that would be your median. Okay, so easy as that. Mode. Mode is the one that shows up most frequently. Well, you'll see that you have two 19s. That's the only one that happens twice. So your mode is 19 because it appears most frequently. Okay, your range is another easy one. Your range, you're just taking your largest number and subtracting out your smallest number. Well, in our list, our largest number was 24, and our smallest number was 4. So we're going to take 24 minus 4, and that gives us 20. Okay, so that's our range and our mean, median, and mode. Our last couple are easy. Our least value, of course, was our 4, and our greatest value was 24. Okay, so those are the 6 different items that they might ask you about on your test and or EOC, so make sure you are comfortable with those. And we're going to try one more on the next page. Before we get started with our last mean, median, and mode, I got a quick joke for you. What do sea monsters eat? Think about it. Think about it. Fish and ships. Ha 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 ha. You like it? Anyway, hey, we want to find the mean, median, and mode of this data set. Okay, so to find your mean, remember we have to add our numbers up. So let's do that. We have 63 plus 86 plus 62, and I'm going to add up all these for you. Plus 90 plus 64 plus 73 plus 70 and 89. Okay, so if you add up all these numbers, you're going to get 752. And since that is the total, we have to divide that by the number of pieces of data in our list. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in our list. So we have to simply divide 752 by 10. And if we do that on our calculator, we get 75.2. Okay, so 75.2 would be our mean for this given set of data. Okay, for our median, we again have to go ahead and list our numbers out in order. And I'm going to go ahead and list those out for you. All right, so here's your numbers that you need to list out. We have 62, 63, 64, 70, 73, 74, 81, 86, 89, and 90. So that gives us our 10 values that we need to find the median with. Okay, so make sure you have these written down, and we're simply going to go through each side and cut down until we get to the middle. Well, what do we do here? We have 73 and 74, and they're both in the middle. Well, if that happens, all you have to do is add them up and divide by however many numbers there are. So we have 73 and 74, so we have to take 73 plus 74. So 73 plus 74, and that gives us 147. And if we divide that by 2, we would get 73.5. So our median, let's move over a little bit. Our median would be 73.5. Okay, so that's what you do if you have two numbers in the middle. Okay, our mode. Well, in this one, it doesn't appear that we have any numbers that are the same. So our mode this time is not available. Okay, we do not have a mode because there's not two numbers that show up that are the same. Okay, our range, our largest minus our smallest, so we have 90 minus 62, and 90 minus 62 is going to give us 28. Okay, our least value, it's easy. Our least value was 62, and our largest value was 90. Okay, so here's just a few different examples that give you mean, median, and mode. Okay, I would like you to find the mean, median, mode, range, least value, and greatest value of the UTry-1 data set. See ya.